Hi, welcome to today's video. I will be teaching you how to create your content calendar with Google Sheets and ChatGPT. Why are we using ChatGPT? It will help us to generate our topics. And some people might just want to use Calendly, Notion, Google Calendar, but I want to create this from scratch in case someone comes across a client that wants you to do something like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into it. Meanwhile, before I forget, I am creating a 30 days content calendar for myself. I've been consistent with posting on LinkedIn and I don't want to stop right now. I am out of topics and I decided to do this. So let's start. So the first thing I want to do is to type what I want. So I'll be calling my calendar December calendar or December 2024 calendar. So anyone that works for you, you can just do something you like. So calendar 2024. So here we go. So now that we have calendar 2024, what do we want to do? You can then highlight it to G because G will make it 7 days and we have 7 days in a week. Oh, just this. So to G, you highlight and then you go to format, click on merge cells and merge all. When you merge all, you then change the position of your write-up to middle. Then you can increase it and bold it. That's it. So here we go. So it's calendar 2024. The next thing is to write the days of the week. We have Sunday. Oops, don't do that. So let's go back to this. Then we click, we write Sunday. I'm writing my name. Sunday. And next we go to Monday. Then oops, don't do that. Why is it doing this? Okay, Monday. And then we highlight both of them and we expand. Wow, really? Expand to G. Then we have the days of the week. So after that, we're going to number the month. Sunday was first, so we'll go with 1 and we have 2. Oops. We have 2 and we can highlight both and expand. And then we have 1 to 7 and then we can then have 8. Next we have 9 and we can do the same thing. Okay, and you expand. So here, what next? We need to now highlight all of them and we expand. Okay, we have up to 42. No, we don't have up to 42 days. So what we need to do is to highlight this and just delete. It's no biggie. So highlight this and just delete. That's all. So we have 1 to 31. So the next thing you're going to do now is to insert rows below all the numbers because that is where we're going to write our titles. So highlight this, insert row below, highlight this, insert row below, highlight this, insert row below, highlight this too, then insert row below, highlight this and insert row below. So here we go. Now we have space. Now the next thing is to expand these rows we added so that we can write in them. So we click on number 4, row 4 that has an empty row, and then we highlight others. Click on your control. 6, we have 8, we have 10, and we have 12. Then you go to 4. You can see this. Can you see? And then you pull it down. Then you have enough space for that. And then if you want to also increase the column, so you highlight everything to G, go to this place and just drag it a bit. Here you go. Looks good, yeah? So now these numbers, do you want to add a background color to it? You can just highlight also, hold on control, go to 5, come to 7, 9, 11. Then we can just change the color to something cool. Let's say brown. Okay, this looks good. Here we go. And then before we write in these big boxes, We can then go ahead to delete every part that is not needed. Talking about the rows and columns that we have nothing in, we just want our calendar to pop out, to be on its own. So how are we going to do that? We go to highlight H, then you click on Control Shift arrow left and highlight and right click rather, and then you delete columns H to Z. See? Then you come down, click on 13, Control Shift down arrow and right click, delete rows 13 to 1005. Here we go. So here, looks good, yeah? Why do I feel like this color is too dull? This, I'm gonna change it. I'll highlight it, highlight it, highlight, oh, highlight. I just want to change the color to something cool. Blue? Yeah, blue is always fine. Let's go with blue. Oh, okay, blue. Then we can work on the, is black fine? We can also change the color of the text. That's the numbers. We can actually change it from black to, well, that's what it looks like with white. No, no, no. We don't go with black. Black is better. Okay, so here we go. Now we can write in these big boxes. This is where we go to ChatGPT to do the work for us. Here we go. So I already have a prompt. Hi Chatty, I'm a virtual assistant who wants to continue building my online presence on LinkedIn. I already made many posts showcasing my skills, but right now I need original topics for 30 days. Make sure to give it a human touch. Include topics ranging from how-tos to normal topics here. So now we send and wait on ChatGPT to do its magic. Like, I don't know why it's slow, but okay. So here you see, here's a 30-day content plan for your LinkedIn presence, Susan. Each topic is tailored to showcase your expertise. Why keep in the relatable human touch? You know how ChatGPT talks now, or types rather. Who doesn't know? We all do. So week one, see week one. Let's see what it's saying. Setting the foundation. Okay, who am I? Beyond the virtual assistant title, how I help clients take the night, why I don't have It's week 2, week 3, week 4. Oh, Chatty, you're so sweet. Okay, week 4. And I think that's what we're done. Okay, that's it. So let's start. I won't be doing everything, so we'll just do week 1. So what I do is very simple. I just copy. Okay. Oops, stop it. So highlight, copy, go back, and then you paste. You can see that it has entered our second day. So what do? We just click on this, on the cell, that is this cell, the first cell, and then we go to format one more time. Then we wrap it up. Wrap, and it comes back to where it actually belongs. So therefore, oh, that's for Sunday. Yeah. Then we go to Monday. Monday. Hurry. Okay. Oh, I think Sunday chat is below here. Oh, it's Sunday here. So let's go to Sunday. Let's change it. We copy. We need to change it. We need to change it. Delete this. We have to do the right thing. So we paste the right one. And then we format, wrap things up. Then we go to the second, which is Monday. ChatGPT. Monday. I'm sure this is Monday. Okay. Copy. You see how I'm doing it? It's very simple. So I'll go to the first row and then I'll go and finish it up behind. So format, wrap. Next. Okay, this is for Tuesday. So it is just to put in the topics there and then you do your research by yourself. And then go here. Why do I want to paste special? Let's see. No, just paste. Just don't confuse yourself. Okay. So wrap. Wednesday. Come on. Let's do this. Let's hurry up. So Wednesday. Go to Wednesday. Oops. Don't do that. Okay. Copy. And we'll go back to this. Paste. We'll come back to that some other time. Wrap it up. So Friday, we're almost done. Friday is 5th. Oops, don't do that. Okay, copy, and then we paste, format, and wrap. Okay. Okay, next, which is the last one here, right? So we click on new, copy, spreadsheet, come on, you, paste, format, wrap. So here we go. We can just edit this, or you can remove quotation mark here. Come on, don't have this time. Okay, delete. Anywhere you see it, you can just work on it. Okay, delete, delete, and delete. So here we go. So now you can also do something. You see that this is how it looks, but you can also change the color of the text if you want it to pop out. So we can do red here. We can do this. What color is that? So dull. Let's do brighter colors. Okay. And then we go to this. We make this blue. We make this. That's if you want. Green. We make this. What's the color? Red. One more. Okay. So then we do I don't know, kind of confused. Make sure not to do the same colors though. Can leave this as black. This red should change because we already have red. Come on, we can do better. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, I think that color is too white. Okay, I think we can do this. So you see for yourself, we can actually create our content calendar ourselves. So this is it. It's very, very simple. So when you're done, you can share. Untitled. Then you can title it. Susan's December calendar. December 2024 calendar. So here you go. Then we save, and then we want to share. I want to share to myself, give access to whoever, anyone with the link. Then I copy my link and I share. You see, I share myself. I just save it here. Anytime I want to go back to it, I just go back to it. So that is it. It is actually very, very simple. So I'll be completing this, and then let's see what it looks like at the end of the video. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So here we have the end product. I was able to touch some things to my taste, so you need to do the same thing for yourself. How you would want it to look, it's up to you. So how did I change the background? It's very simple. So I just click on one of the cells and look at it here, fill color. So I picked this color for it. As you can see, so if I change it to something else, let's say red, it becomes red, but I don't want that. So we can just go back. So here we go. I have successfully created a content calendar. Okay, let's do this. We can add to this. We can say content calendar. Content December. Let's look at December actually. December content calendar. What do you think about this? Okay, I think this is cool. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and in my next video I'll be showing you how to upload this on your LinkedIn. Do well to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to get the notification. And I have other videos on LinkedIn that I have made. You can check them out above or on the screen. Thank you for being amazing. Ciao.